This is not your imagination. The work environment is changing faster than ever before, and if you think this change has been significant up to now, just wait and see what comes next. We've all heard predictions that AI will eventually replace white-collar jobs, and while those predictions may seem far-fetched, the reality is that many jobs could be automated sooner than we think. In this video, we're going to talk about the latest news from Microsoft and its CEO, Satya Nadella, who believes AI is set to revolutionize the workplace in the near future. In fact, he even went as far as to say that by 2025, most jobs will be heavily influenced by AI, and why it is important for you to know about these changes. If you're new here, consider subscribing to stay updated with the latest news and developments in AI technology. And don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful. So what exactly did Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, say about the impact of AI on jobs? What does this mean for the future of work? And what can you do to prepare yourself for the changes ahead? These are important questions and ones that I'll try to answer in this video. During a recent interview at an event hosted by the Economic Club of Washington, D.C., Nadella expressed his belief that by 2025, every job will be an AI-powered job. He explained that AI will not only change how people work, but it will also transform industries and economies worldwide. According to him, AI will augment human intelligence rather than replacing humans altogether. However, this doesn't mean that some jobs won't be heavily impacted by AI. One example he gave was the legal profession. Traditionally, lawyers spend a significant amount of time reviewing documents to build a case. This process can take weeks or even months. But with AI, this task can be done in a matter of minutes, allowing lawyers to focus on other aspects of their work. Similarly, doctors can use AI-powered tools to diagnose diseases more accurately and efficiently, freeing up their time to spend more time with their patients. However, the impact of AI on jobs is not limited to highly skilled professions. Many repetitive tasks currently performed by humans, such as data entry or assembly line work, are susceptible to automation through AI and robotics. While this may lead to job losses in some sectors, it also creates opportunities for people to move into other areas where human skills are more valuable. It is essential to recognize that AI is not a one-time disruption, but rather a continuous process that will evolve over time. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they'll be able to handle more complex tasks, which means that workers need to adapt and acquire new skills to stay relevant in the job market. Microsoft is already seeing this trend firsthand as it works to integrate AI into its products and services. For example, the company has developed a new programming language called Python that can help developers build AI applications more easily. Microsoft is also investing heavily in training and education to help people acquire the skills they need to thrive in an AI-driven economy. In addition to the impact on specific industries, AI is also transforming the way companies operate overall. By automating repetitive tasks and providing insights from data analysis, AI can help businesses improve efficiency, reduce costs, and make better decisions. This can lead to increased productivity and economic growth, but it also means that companies must adapt to new ways of working and new technologies. Some companies have already embraced AI and are reaping the benefits. For example, one retail company used AI to analyze customer data and develop personalized recommendations, leading to increased sales and customer loyalty. Another company used AI-powered tools to optimize its supply chain, resulting in lower costs and improved efficiency. But not everyone is benefiting from the rise of AI. Some workers who are unable to keep up with the pace of change or acquire new skills are struggling to stay employed. And as AI becomes more sophisticated, this trend is likely to continue. For example, in the manufacturing industry, some workers who perform repetitive tasks on assembly lines may be replaced by robots. Similarly, in the transportation industry, some truck drivers may be replaced by self-driving vehicles. This can lead to job losses and economic hardship for those workers who are not able to transition to new roles. To address this challenge, governments and organizations must invest in education and training programs to help workers acquire the skills they need to thrive in an AI-driven economy. By providing people with the opportunity to learn new skills, we can ensure that they're able to take advantage of the new opportunities that AI create. One example of this is the German government's initiative to train 400,000 people in AI-related jobs by 2025. Government is investing in education and training programs to ensure that Germans have the skills they need to work in AI-driven industries. Another example is the work being done by the World Economic Forum, WEF, to develop a global framework for AI ethics and governance. The WEF is working with governments, businesses, and civil society organizations to develop guidelines for the responsible development and deployment of AI. While the future of work may be uncertain, one thing is clear: AI is here to stay and it's not going away anytime soon. Rather than fearing AI, we should embrace it and work to ensure that it benefits everyone. By investing in education and training, promoting diversity and inclusion in tech, and developing ethical guidelines we can create a future where AI enhances our lives and helps us solve some of the world's most pressing problems. So what can you do to prepare yourself for the changes ahead? One of the most important things you can do is to stay informed about the latest developments in AI. This means reading articles, attending events, and following thought leaders in the field. By staying informed, you'll be able to identify trends and anticipate changes early on. Another critical step is to develop a growth mindset. This means being open to learning new things and adapting to change. It also means being willing to take risks and stepping outside of your comfort zone. With a growth mindset, you'll be better equipped to handle the challenges and opportunities that AI brings. Finally, you should focus on developing skills that are complementary to AI. This means focusing on skills such as creativity, empathy, and critical thinking. By developing these skills, you'll be able to differentiate yourself from AI and provide value in areas where AI is less effective. Now let us talk about what you can do as an individual to prepare for the changes brought by AI. First, keep learning and upskilling. The pace of technological change is accelerating, and it's essential to stay current with the latest developments. Invest in your education and learn new skills that will be relevant in the future. This could include anything from learning a new programming language to taking a course on data science. Embrace lifelong learning as a habit rather than a one-time investment. Next, focus on developing uniquely human skills. AI may be able to perform many tasks better than humans, but there are still many things that humans can do that AI cannot. Focus on developing your creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking skills. These are skills that are difficult to automate and will be in high demand in the future. And third, be proactive and seek out opportunities. Don't wait for the future to come to you. Instead, proactively seek out opportunities to learn about AI and its potential impact on your industry. Attend events, connect with people in the field, and explore new opportunities for growth and development. Preparing for the future of work requires a proactive and continuous effort. By keeping these points in mind, you can set yourself up for success in the years to come. Remember that change can be challenging, but it also brings opportunities for growth and innovation. Embrace the changes ahead and be part of the solution. So what are your thoughts on this topic? Do you think AI will replace your job in the next 5 years? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more AI news. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.